So here you go. We'll start from question number 3, and that is page number 22. Kindly mark it. So, first one. The focuses of the lenses need to be corrected. It should not be focuses. The plural form of focus is foci. F-O-C-I. If we keep it American English, it is foci, but British foci. The foci of the lenses need to be corrected. Next, the food bowls acted as stimuluses for the dogs. Stimuluses we cannot use. Actual singular form is stimulus, and the plural form is stimuli. The grown-up decided to look into the matter. It should not be grown up, it should be grown-ups. Next one, it is written passerbys. It should not be passerbys, it should be passers-by. As you can see, the changes I have made here, 5 and 6. It should be grown-ups decided to look into the matter. And last one, passers-by. You can see I have written here passers-by. So have a look at this. Next, what is given? It is given a detailed study of gender. Masculine, feminine, common and neuter. I told you before what are masculine genders. It is referring to male. This one refers to female. Common refers to both male and female, while neuter refers to something neither male nor female, and most importantly, non-living object. Keep it in mind, non-living object. Some of the masculine genders are landlord, nephew, feminine gender, niece and landlady, while common gender, friend and cousin, we don't know whether it is male or female. And last one, that is neuter, lamp and table. You can lamp and table both are non-living also. Do you know that for nouns relating to profession or ranks, we use common gender? Nouns to avoid discrimination, just like doctor, engineer, actor are such some example. Even nowadays, we are using hero instead of using heroine for both male and female. Same is the case with poet. Nowadays, we use poet also instead of poetess. Poet qualifies both a female writer and male writer. Now here you go to the next page, page number 23. A conversation is there. What you have to do? There is a conversation between Bunny and Natty using the opposite gender of the word in color. First it is written, is the hen in the coop? No, but the dash is there. So what is the opposite gender of hen? Hen is feminine and the masculine is cock. Next is given, I don't know, do you know where the mare is? I don't know, I can only see dash in the stable. So we have to use the opposite form of this one, mare. So you can see what is the opposite for mare. It is going to be stallion. Stallion in the stable. Stallion means the male horse. And maybe grandma took the mare for a ride. I thought, is it written grandma? So I'll use grandpa. Took her for a ride, and grandma was chasing the goose home. So we'll use the opposite form for goose. So what is written? No, I chased the goose as well as the dash home. So what is the opposite for goose? It should be gander. Next it is, I am more scared of the dash. The opposite of fox is vixen. Female fox. Vixen. Have you noticed that the duck is not in the pond? So here I am going to use the opposite term for duck. It should be drake. Duck is female, drake is male. Complete the sentence with the common gender. So we have to use such gender which is both male and female. Mr. Garg and Mrs. D'Souza are teachers. They are our teachers. So that is common gender, neither male nor female. Ria and Ritu make delicious dishes. They are great cooks. So this is the end of page number 23. We are moving to 24. Ali plays the drum while Gina plays the piano. They are two options we can use here. One we can use artist, another one we can use musician. Musicians. You can also use artist. Danny and Wendy live next door. They are our neighbors. Via and Mira work in the same office. They are colleagues. Look at the spelling. Colleagues. They work in the same office, so they are colleagues. Bibi and Fifi are crying for milk. They are little babies. All these things do not have a specific gender. They are both female and male. Now E, we have to match the following. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Father and mother. You can see father and mother are parents. So here I am writing 1 for D. Second is the brother and sister. For brother and sister we are going to write siblings. Number 2. And man and women we are going to use humans. That is going to be 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now next. Salesman, saleswoman, that is 4. Salesperson. Husband and wife, it is going to be spouse, number 5. King and queen, royalty, that is number 6. Last one, it is provided. You have to play something, that is a classwork, means a group work, that presently you cannot do. Hope when school will open, we'll surely go through this one. So this is the last part for the chapter 3. Kindly go through this one. And if you face any trouble, kindly ask your doubts during live class. Even you can use my email ID to ask me these doubts. Thank you, children.